Usapo. And Yakushia for day. For joy, Yakushia in the birthday. Kushia situa sote ha. Kushia free maswa kwaje. Abosobo edema bibire mu ma nyina. Sande amano. Kushia for no. Good morning.
Good morning, Nana.
Ya bibia bokode.
Na me Adom. You what here trying to so no so dey kwesi wan fa na nka ho.
Wo dey akwesi? Kwesi ma fampa.
Ti misro to part chicha ma ye ne ma ne bi.
O da bi so anka so dey akwesi o dey kwesi.
Ade no de ne ho jim. Sa ka sa akwesi afo. En wo twa ntenti o de ne ho jim dia.
Dey to part.
Cha de cha pad ne ma ne bi.
Yeah, come on. Amen, I want to say so.
Adom Nsem.
Na paso Société Générale Ghana. Ya banque. Société Générale. Société Générale. The future is you. Apollonia City Development, Accra's new city. Cabell, our milk. Latest foam. Your partner for life. Agbeve Herbal Center, Wayera Safie. Lele Rice, Tasty Food, Happy Family. Tabia Herbal Mixture, your true and authentic herbal medicine. And Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? One of the Swasinia. Could you have some few minutes? Just said, no, I don't know. Yakubu. Wakwaba.
Nana.
I'm not going to say to one why I'm not 12 from one from one number back. Now, what you say?
Nana Ohonya cry.
I don't come on that, but some bubium. I said footbridge, one person befaso.
I'm faso cry, and very, very bad. Osha. Mramiko could drew on and I may say and Kamenya and Grofonibia. Among you bridge now move to straight. I Oka, the don't paint a argumentino. Ostop because being peso be few. Very, very bad. Say Nipa say 50 and Efra 40 dear Amutaquanum. 40 Amutaquanum. 40 dear Amutagana 10 number for crying school crana. I'm more West Africa senior house. I'm on a bridge in so now I call Amochamaco school. Very bad pa. I share Medina, answer now bedroom Medina, answer now bedroom Medina, bridge now business, answer now do Medina, or crowd there, and then West Africa, how the near, or the Amon Faso Cram, in a detraquanum, a year, see, I took a block coin, minimum side could get credit. You must see, when the coin in Fifino, I am a block coin in Fifino.
I'm the concrete in iron.
Concrete in iron. I'm Chaco, no more trans concrete in also. No trans or shas, cannon, outrum, no gemlica.
Now footbridge,
I don't dispute. Oh, crosses are into a transfer or transfer or monitoring the situation. Or has a can map no demrica. No, good that lane or that train, Sahakan if you have and also Ebia Akosula, no dispute the terms. Anna Moye.
Why that stress?
It's a very, very bad. That's the best. I mean, I'm much as some conform can't why demonstration. Some conform Bibrina and some cross it. Bibrina almost don't drew. Oh, yeah, was a bridge in a woman confess on Moon's match. Or the term. Okay. Sana Moyo. In Chevesram, say Kabu Bia, move me reporting to you.
Oh, and what baby and Sammy? Move reporting to you. I was to say,
Nana, but no, that only the most
prefer my name.
Nana Oshapa demonstration day.
And remember her, eh? It's a demonstration, Mikobi, Mikobi, some videos. And I could like to be to money in a year soon. We are Unfaso, Osanfa, Quanche. Cowboy, we are not cousin. Yeah, 7 hours. What can I say? Massage, Akosia Bisana.
Mammy, who do a pass away?
I will buy a notch about 12 years old.
Oh, Dabio. Nana, menu, 32 Nicola.
Or 2 years.
I want 32.
And now 2 years.
I charge a bin and I'm 32, Nana.
Debbie,
I watch up.
I go with your penny. Where do I have any?
Nana Debbie, watch out, be na mo 32. Ah, me trim mo da.
32 and Pampari ako.
Age is just a number.
Yeah, my 44 crying country.
I said you'll be at me. 2
years.
Nana, no statement back up a person may come here age as age, and your pan on the east of moment 2.
44.
A month for more.
Yeah, 144 crying carries.
Age and your pan on the east of moment 2. A month for.
One person before
me like I'm Kwanka, I'm for soldiers and Kugu. That is say now see apply force. That's also on fire.
Soldier from Cossa, 1 woman and Kojina.
Because I many residents in because I residents in the I'm here to just for demand more many residents in the one
for so a cab bow.
Say police for go up
a bow, so I hope you are doing her.
Demonstration now to police for abo. Demonstration now to police for abo. Esa ne zebu pese mu pe foot bridge nti na mu dia police for attempt to sada so pepper spray pa ko manim sada ro me brɛ pa abanya ya foot bridge abama
abanya ya wi so ase me fa so
wo de ka mo bi na obi mra ha
na mra so dia e didi agro wo Ghana hanom no ha dwen wonim se road offenses no ya ye ka adrobafo ye ka woni atwi moto nanso ye tim anipa na ye namfom no ya no ye we fi se road offenses no ye so so e bi kan yen ba bi a friend is saying baby zebra crossing wo na nipa dasani enam nkyɛn akaka kra bia menadu mu no no ankasa tie asinkyɛn empempe ya na me hu se police fo gyinagyina bus stations na old Peace FM Atimota mile 7 bus stop na ewo ho no traffic e wo kwan ni so nyina free sa bus stop no onipa dasani benante e de free mo ho asani abedu about na no honom no na oba begina so oba be fa car enti trotro droba ni du wonom a ono so odidwa enti ho no obegina mean justify say trotro droba ni no waye ade se ono so ho no ogina na mom passenger na ja bus stop no ho ene oba begina roundabout no so ho no opeka enti nipa wo didwa no so du honom a na wagina wunipa no so wafom nanso police fo agina ho mi hu si achi nipa da se ba bia wugina no enye ha na wo se wugina efa car ko gina bus stop no na ekeka kɔ baby a mall no wona ya lolofo asi ade kra sa wo cha wobetimi atena ho enso nipa da sani se wo mpe roundabout na no ho no ma na da bi obegina nti da bia traffic achi our stretch of the road ya overhead ya kan ye hia walkway ye hia walkway nyam kopon ya adom ye nya bi na wo se wo mfa so na obekun ho a obi numadro ma yafo enti se ka bo penchiri kra me bo mpa ye se bo wa wu na mo obedi dem wasua de wu ana asamasa na so odi dem a ade achi a wodo odi ane ba ya mfa nto ho ama obi asua ebia sa na ye twen ka bo obi ene ne girlfriend o mo nam o mo boabo mo so mo kwakwa ma na wu amara husem we ye ka ye nwie na sa wo de wo say kwan no wa entu pe kwanti ase kwanti emusuo entu de fa kwanti ano so de beto no no wa fa ne dogo ya
aya na mo say na
eza abanya mo dai papa mo akwata bra ade we pass de tete papa ipa go ni
tete wona tete me fia ase me ne wo fa ye interview na ma go me
tete ase wo fa papa mo akwata onye wo fa oye minister
onye papa mo akwata
uti adwuma mo oye minister adwuma no onwie ebrika su kwan ye nyiye ti no ho nto no
more fan
onyi
ye den ya wo fa
ye fa nkrata no kakra
na gise me kan tro say ye wo kani na no otie
sa gi me ka tro say
na mo akwata asem
obedwa ba ye nyaka
aya mo akwata asem no aya go nsem
no kwese no akrampo na makan say wo fa baby ani kwan sa wo fa utwaka kwamu a e wo sa police chew ne e fine wo enso Ghana police age se trotro ne adrobafo ne motofo no kwan ne ye chew omo nchi nipa me hu say wo fa baby a wo sa wo fa nso a yetimi chew wo se ye chew emra no sa na eka na ne fa nkrata na kakra fama Ghanaian Times achi wode nkwada bia wo mo na hu kukuda bi wo mo na hu kokone
kukuda bi ne ye
kuku unsanke ye tire ho bedu we aye nipa na ho
kukuda bi
medo wada sa wo hye nkwada ne na ho a
ewrade nyago baba ya we
tena nkwada ne na mo a wura ba ho papa na wode abasa yade bia aba ye se friend ne yaus yam yade a aba ete se awiwe nkwada na ho a na adane kuro eti wo hwa kwada ba ko a wode ne foni ato mfimfin ho no mu se ya wono no wabo captain's band no double tesa wafa baby jet asianfa ayu waka ho tesa ne na benkubri ne fa no nyina ekuro no bi atoto ho ene ye de ntomago achechire se de wobo captain's band no ba ko nso so yours yo sa wo hwe de ogina ne nchen no de wanfa bi an chechire so akwada we pa na ye cheche ni na wo che na de ne na hu kromu pampan ahwe ba ma wanu mato na awrahusemi wose asi e wo lower manya krobo apoya mantamu
na so ma me na fei yankwa ahoma no so na fei ye ne maame akosua Frema Opare Ononaye, the Chief of Staff of the Republic of Ghana, Oba Udikai in the political history of this country. Chief of Staff. Edema Makuma Quincy bin assessor Bomodiana was shed and Sulina and Ebedin Bebohon and Como Ononi Oba. Chief of Staff Kane, Ewa Ben Yim, Negana Hat Yabakosemo, or Sansu, a development consultant and labor and employment aspect, or Umfia Makuma Quidria 40 years experience. Was field holding bachelor's of science degree home science from the University of Ghana and a master's degree in food from the University of Gulf Canada and no Eda and China or Trade as Checheni Penny University of Ghana from 1976 ever since 1982 na ye mubi no mafe ne ye nkoda and no dan China United Nations no ye consultant my United Nations women in fisheries program no ewo Uganda, Ethiopia, Congo, Kenya, ne Namibia. And no Eda and Chenya Osanso Esum Omen as a Deputy Minister of Manpower, Youth and Employment ewo 2005 and it BC 2008. Ewo Mampeni John Ajekum Kufo Amada Paba Diewu Emreso. And no dan Chenya ayawa so West Wogon. Na oyemrashe bedweni ewo ho ko 2 terms. Pacho waware awoma makomako and 9 obapa ko chat men come mwacha no paper Adom 106.3
Mejo so Captain Smart me chia watiefo nyina
so jo so man pacho ho te say
nya Adom me ho ye pa
yo e we say afa na why join here na Chief of Staff of the Republic of Ghana Mame Akosua Opare na yene no bon komo mame yan shots answer na yebeba nra awards na so no kan ho asem kakra chen u free here na wabeduru ba bia wabeduru
ekwanwa wo hwese medi mfie adiosu mienu dia na hwese me kasa me kam baba kosama em se ewa na yawo me kumase me call division school kakra na me call to aso wo middle school me call St. Monica's convent wo Mampong Asante Mampong me free wa so na me call secondary school wo Hona St. Monica's wa and me free also so me call a brig girls ekoye 64 Tamre no na St. Monica's no na yenyanye science form. Nti so binya science na wo se copy school a girls school from ano. Nti me call a brig girls ahona me call ye me A level.
Okay.
Na me feel ho no. Tamre no shortage of school teachers was science aba wo krumu ha. Nti school no Esre mene Madam Fubako efreno Kate. Emma yemi no ye kochre ade for 1 year ewo St. Monica Secondary School.
Samra na wonya nwie university.
There bi kra na me nko mi wie to form na ye nuns no asofo ma no
Roman sisters no.
Ye de Anglican sisters.
Oh okay.
Enti almost best say school no anya crisis kakra for science teachers inti ye meboa
inti ye now what been pa o
kakra kakra inti ye ko menene mienu ke ye ko ye a teacher for 1 year. War secondary school Asante Mampon St. Monica Secondary School. The free one on a by University of Ghana, Legon. They home science. Me free also so. Me we home science na no me be we na Mrs. Florence I know ye research fellow. Ewo hello.
Pampa chomitio pa. Now, or your research fellow or a friend saying, ISA, Institute of Statistical, Social and Economic Research. If your farm is a research assistant for 1 year, and none of my women in fisheries, no. Was of farming, no necessary, a Nejumana or Yenese, or your project to be on fisheries. Okay. Me call Buano, Meneno ye Juma. Through that 1 year, no na minya scholarship ko Canada. Okay. Canada no so me call 73 to 76. Me buy na me be joining University of Ghana as a lecturer. Kakra. In fact, in between, no me breaki kakra ko Sudan. Eko na me kunu wo ho in the international assignment with FAO. Timisome ko kakra. From Sudan, I came back. Me almost 2 years leave of absence. Okay.
Now me stand by. Me by the lecturer and acting head of department until 89.
And so why acting head of department or University of Ghana paying?
I was home science.
Wow. Mami Dwaso mami.
Me das. Me free. Me work on so na me subinya appointment with FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization of the UN, or Nigeria on no so na your fisheries project.
And who free one na UN tamu will say pam do call Nigeria.
But I before so between 89 and 1992. Okay. A fisheries project, you know, and I'm a socio-economic advisor.
Am I United Nations?
FAO project.
FAO,
project, you know, the Integrated Rural Fisheries Development Project for Nigeria. It was an interesting work. And me free one. Mama University of Ghana view, and me be in fact me be Nigeria Jumano. Na FAO no so mami enyuma consultancy for 1 year. Me call Nkunkuru so me call Namibia, me call Ethiopia, me call Uganda, Kenya. And also some fisheries, women in fisheries work ma womo. Timi free one, me we sa consultancy no. Na fe me pesa me tena se kakra and say what it kwala they be as consultants so dia na fa.
Okay, ma answer na ye be ban kwada ne de no so no. Na che say emma we bibire mu ha de wasom ma we bibire mu ha che pa o. Wo di sha safe Nigeria. Now wako Uganda, wako Ethiopia, wako Congo, wako Kenya, wako Namibia. Nti what the Ghana can wa my mako and so ma and wabo more than share soon one side the beya.
Now the Sudan so akafu kakra.
Na che say 8. Sudan can one say mo twenu no. Wow.
Nti kakra.
Now who says
me a friend say me call me be a consultancy ni wie no na me pese me tena se kakra na me be constant settled work na ma hwe nkwala no kakra nti no me ba NGO be a friend of Netherlands Development Organization.
Yeah, Netherlands development organization for NGO.
SND omo de wo krom ha.
Okay.
Omo bo mo de papa nti sa a position na me kwaje wo ho no so na eboa me ema me to me agenda was one of my schedule ba ko so e de ma me international aspect of our work, international trade. Nti eno so ye ne eboa ma ye si ehye kuapa koko afe etumi ye ya ma ya boa akuafo mo mutumi eye wo mo trading company ne kuapa edeti ase in fact almost we me da last year class almost abo ma baso enti Juma no me year for 5 years.
Wow.
So, SNV no na ye nyuma ni bi wo Volta region. Titru Nkwanta any KJB. Ye will be wo Daboase wo Takrade. Ye will be ewo mia bebre. Inti ye me some almost for 5 years. Na emu ha so na Action Aid ema me opportunity say menye a country director.
Hey, so why you do Action? Why you do Action Aid?
Patron Action Aid
country director Ghana nyina.
Aye.
Hey man.
And also so the Becca say na de wo mu kakra ne say Action Aid share as they wo mo ha no. Na de bia no abrofo no omo be country director. And this was the first time omu choose Ghana ni say onye country director wo Action Aid wo kromo ha. Nti na no so na ye ahoho akakra. Na Action Aid so ye dwuma so ane kuodo so that yafe wo kromo ha. Na Action Aid so ni ye ndwuma bebre ye wo the 3 northern regions ye bi wo Hafo na ye wo ebi so wo Volta kakra any central and western nti e ma me hunu krom ha papa any ehia for asem the titru no all these organizations EFA Netherlands Development Organization EFA Action Aid no ema any enkwala ye die ewo ya papa nti bibia na ye be ye ne hwese ebe ma ema akọ wo animu ana na ya boa because ye nim se wotete oba na watete aman nti eno ka adwuma na maye no bibi as country director for Action Aid 5 years no Action Aid Africa.
Okay.
Emma me adwuma 1 year. Say menye your friend internationalization advisor.
Hey.
The advisor no nature say start no na shine yes say bi say. Ekuokuo no almost Action Aid as an international dodo. Yemma locals no enkabi ewom. Nti me ye nhyehyeye bia ebeboa ama krobia no se wo fulfill sa criteria no a na yetumi ma wo fa hodie for some time na why Action Aid Ghana na wo free Action Aid Ghana now you are affiliated to the Action Aid but ebema wanya local border almost so ebetumi aka edi won adwenkyerɛ ne wonim die abɛboa ma Action Aid no agina nti sɛ duma no ɛna yɛde ma me yɛ through that no Action Aid me no ka say me start here ne Action Aid to say more international but right now we have Action Aid Ghana or one local board and sana or then no so Adom kefie no ankasa ama man nyina edie no na through that time no me internationalization and while politics my kakro na abra me wo University of Ghana no na me treasurer for the Progress Party Club debia me kasa sa time no na kwam na battles ni president or campus. Enti politics no ne wo mu pa kakra na me de ebeye a friend saying UNC so me join kakra as a lecturer na me a Legon organizer for UNC.
Okay.
Enti abra me actually ejuma no as internationalization advisor no me decided to make politics. In fact, me maybe ne free ayawa sodwa ebe be hu me na so any kan ade no maye bia nti ene de metumi ayi manim na maye na kefe nti me preso aja wa mo ni ti a prime minister sese amiko ena ja ya me ncha de me beye MP no me ye no pre no ena eyo mampenyi for abra ne 2004 year elections na me no 2005 no so na bai no o ma me ye deputy minister for manpower na and then no your friend no employment and labor relations hono so me man so say I reach support me betra to the 5 years no 4 years no so na ye so man co parliament misa co parliament from 2008 to 2012. From that time no me akasa me jama konya to ho man co preview na me de mahodin na tare the re-election of His Excellency the President.
Okay.
And me fan say emua kakra na nyame amana nsaswa President Kufuado Ghana fo anya ne ho gidie a wo de aba manu a se ono so okai me say me wo ho metumi aye adwuma bi nti ode chief of staff adwuma ahyemensa nti Captain Smart na kakra meka no
there me kai pa year 2006 a woman share President Kufuor introduce you to for cancer woman of class namze mambe na President Kufuor woman of class na African tenkrechine bantwa him no bia twetwe de kon efisa amre no na me di the bad limelight the more di hu amra no be deputy minister of labor ne manpower ne employment na di hu but time na wuchi woni nam Sudan, Ethiopia, Congo, Nigeria, ko Namibia ne nkanfo no na o pa chese na wunya betra fi that time na hwan na hwefi grandma na
enuni me so u kenya madam kurase sanse so wo ware so na wanya somufo papa wo nkan ko no ya na etumi ko ekyire abra me nya adwuma wo Nigeria no na memba esusa enunti mi kunu je nkwala no ko Sudan esanse na madwuma no ana me ye no akwantuo no dɔɔso enti no feel se ono momu no me mfa nkwala na mre no na ono hwɛ wo mo se de be ya me ho be han me na metumi atutu kwan sanse adwuma na ana me ye wo Nigeria no na kane no ne efra bibi Bendel State ewo East ene aye Edo and Delta basata na Edo Bendel State ena me wo Akwa Ibom State. Well, Asaba Making is over 700 kilometers from Lagos. Inti, na me koswa, nyasa me ko kronuma, me kotina kromwa. Me nyumano ewo fishing communities. Inti mitna kodum na me dia kokon krase. Inti na nyadi a sebe mesusa wo benya ubetumi ati weni ahwem. Ti ono so yes opportunity we aba no. Me so me nkomanim nti ono beje nkwala no na adwuma no se de tie no ono wo fie nti ono beje wo mo o Sudan na me metumi aye madwuma no nti ena no place so me medana say or sa ti ase no a ene ama me career am kofom na me de kakra me de edru mpepensu amabedru ya
menim se ulman wo fi anke ne kasae
Oma ofi ne edru so ma na kasa
edru so se uma menene kasa na chese ye breaking record ni ye ye chief of staff na mu na kasa ne ni kru so awie na chese ye ne ye kro no ma san komo ya wabo ye nyina busua se bia fe na wo join ye ne the chief of staff of the Republic of Ghana and kasa nti se wo baba na wo fie de mema ne nya wadwen se wo ya kwada wo ya baya na wutia wo betumi ayete se de ye ma me aye wo betumi kura ya atra so enti ye pese wutie no wohunu niema emma ayo enti enya wanwa se emra his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo Tama no your opposition leader election petition court Supreme Court na chi de si ye wie ya na president Ecoland no de na chi ja oba sa akosu ahwemachi me kwa ba na mema wo ho o se hwemachi na me kwa ba no de na chija akosua na akosua hwe na chi ebesi na akosua chief of staff ba mra ye bo wudin sa obeye chief of staff na wo hwe adwuma emema nko na ya afi Kwame Nkrumah time ebesi o mampani dada Mahama bre so na wo ye oba na obetuem ba akopa wo be ye sa adwuma na wo hunu se na ebro wo so ana na wo hunu se nimdie kakra na wo no ebetimi ama watimi aye se na wo ankasa sa mre no wo sifa se ye bo wudin sa mre no
ye bo meeting no na eye bibia na me susu se ho na president de me befa enye se bia me yo benchra na emomu no politics ye ya na wonim se bibiye ya aha ne do befa enti no enye ho kra na ode me edi ho nkomo
antre chese na wonim
na minim
okay
na minim na ye di nkomo bebre woniema bebre ho na emom no we akasa de na nya de a na oboso akere me nti ofre me di to manim no I am say na say na adwin kefie na wo wo mami Mr. Sumema won sense fom papa adwuma ne de enya se na minsuro minim se eye adwuma kase minim se eye adwuma bia ehia me fan se multiple skills se wo akasa wo nimdie wo amanyosem o so nya nimdie wo ni mu adwuma yemu na management se de ye toto office efa any said ye si hwe nipa fa yanso nyame ta de enkakran no na maye ensen menuma maye free secondary school me university ni make sure action age ni SMV ni ade no I have the experience for management but of course way a political angle. Now, fortunately, no, but yeah, MP da, my yeah, a deputy minister da. Until at least you have a good idea. Who what a dream be kakra. Then so I do my for probia, I do my for pro. Until me and cafe, and until na bibia ya pepe debi. Way a different assignment. And also so I want challenges. Any nuances. Now so once on my penny say, who bet me I know, na me wo confidence to say, on him dear warrior, in Timiso, let's didn't master one for a jumper, na media commenting.
Ne quackromono dina Wadrum Sanka, who to me be and cabet me as a son and a wire and a fofro. And I near my word, my Munina, Bibi Ben at the Wakuma, so person can no dear. Aben nimbre besoa president be kona humgie mu no na we de watimi aboa no mana achieve
well president wo botai akese so when you say president no so da yo so na bumbu said the beya o person Ghana yetumi eye omanya fahudie no enye ano asem na emumu ye ni yo ya na montuo ene ye economy ye ya setnemu enye se ye nsoso ye amanfo ko kosia wa manone a ye nso ye boye di ye nso ye ka ho bi enti owo economic agenda, one district, one factory. We share one district, one factory. Edi or say, a jumano, ye will review a baby. Now also so baby, I want what you mean, ye bibia, ye nadia boy. What I say, a magana form my uncle Snapo so, and my uncle a confessor view from Dakar. The young African countries, no, or no, Nabotai, so okay, the Macron by our boy, was saying, yes, ye, said the Bay, Mano, and the backup group. It's in Shaya or Yeno. Meaning now to a piano free senior high school. Who want him, dear, what to me, a calling him, who to me, making decisions that a web war. Say, won't you know, say, a queer for a DNT. Caneno migration over especially northern Ghana. But yet Juma were all the three northern regions. Abraham war action agent. What in Shoto Kakreb in 2 year 1 crop 4 months of the year. Not the Akanino Wunya a Jumebianye. Into Dodoa a south. A bibe yakaya ye, a biba ye a friend saying a pair dear near dear. Into a macronomo. Northern regions in develop. And non see South village one dam or the aban. They saying what we are queer for. In Sionento, Yameso Swama and dear say to me to a bra, be wa, and the Sio Beba. And today, Tina Yamwa, Emma Yang. In fact, me or this our village one dam, me count of Kofua, ye dinner move papa. What the intimate can say, actionate. Me ba actionate, no. Now, ye development work, baby, and so. Na me who say in Kosipi.
Okay.
Sans only pano 4 months pen obey Juma. And then once you can obey 4 months or the best channel home for the rest of the year. And the actionate ye too done. Ye to be a walk away. Ye to be a war, a friend saying, to move. Ye to be a war, a dadoli. Said the Abaya, a Kuafono Benya, ensure more a Jumayano, a console for the rest of the year. Now, transformation, a back war, Nipa Sitremuno, a Seweni. Me jai action age, a free walk, me call trip on it. Na trepone omo emanu cha kwadu edeto mekam ubetumi age ade say yetumi dua kwadu wo trepone di entiensuo wo ho omo cha kwadu first fruit of the banana omo senje na fakọ na wadawoma entina ene yetumi ehunu kwadu wa hadam say me beje kwadu afiri half of south no say yakuma mu no de ye pese ye yema wo the stress said, dear, why you know, a year fair. And to me, me worry, Shabu Parfait. South, one village, one dam, one district, one factory, 3 SHS, or a bed yet sacraye for a Ghana, papa, a bed boy, a nipan casa.
Okay.
And one nipa, and you say, ye 16 bit, no, don't do honor. And here for a bed and your pine. To me, I call a secondary school. O yeni on one casa on to me, and yet damn wabua ama when yen shia or the bay and a queer. Obi so ye went to the Juma and will cromunte, and yasa metal abada a cycle one crime. Na many Juma. Sabotaya on my penny dear sin and so. Miss Sarah, they say, O mammy, I want any answer. I mean to me from one. Na Ghana and yet Krabeshe.
Man, a crack ramono. one district, one factory, one village, one dam, one constituency, $1 million US, one district, one factory, one district, one silo plant, ministers over 100, DCEs over 200, managing state enterprises, chief executives near dear any Flagstaff House we ni pay year bro 600 do so pa o ni pay sha ban ase adwuma ye fu nyina wase na hye teacher ministers ne DCs who manage you mo heading
heading easy a baby one awesome. A be administrative, if you cry a political, and so. You so. Yeah, me watch me, me were penny or me were president or me were vice or even colleagues to cry ministers who be so the national to me, boy. And she adding, so. So when you obia, oh, to me, bro, was it, that's a bitch, also now to me threat. Obi so nim de be kan wo de ho a aduma bi a wo ye de timi ye
ma se da ben wa ma ye nchia no
ba cho da wa ha o be ti an se
ai ma ye nchia no na aja ya be ne I'm saying the chief of staff of the Republic of Ghana, the third most powerful person of Flagstaff House, who president today, vice president Friwa and afei
your captain media mano.
Okay. That in Pacha what me come watching.
Captain.
Papa Bibia Boko there.
Boko.
Ayana Nkrofo say behind every successful man there's a woman. Martin Green say behind every successful woman there's a strategic man. You have been the strategic man behind Marcus here. Time now we go Sudan now when you international assignment now we den kwala no kan ho ko Sudan o se de edi kan yan kasa nyame hia obo aba so se obo an sa kwan so but me question is say e ba ne say na otimi managing kwala me sure say ma ya ka ho
man me no banda of the place on me ko banda you look at best commander I'm to command the answer more that was easy for me.
Now it was easy for you.
Yeah, because when I tell you, I'm not sure. Where's the community? So it's no problem. So,
okay.
I'm not sure I do. She's been a teacher today.
Yeah, eti na wo yere oni wo nchen owo hen owo Namibia oba no wo hen owo Nigeria owo hen owo Sudan owo hen Ethiopia owo hen Namibia owo hen Congo on nam hen na chese na that time na wo hunu no now feel say we had no dia pese fufuo yaka na cheke na fa ne hen
of abasa man na abasa
na
me be no o be to america to
okay. Now, Pacho, my enda was in Mamma Man. We old man, or you'll be on Pekasa. Yes, ma.
What may be an in wow. Uncle Anno, almost that or no, never. Friends say, oh, I don't watch it and go be brave or area. Maybe wow, Mr. Kakra.
Ma, where there, Nanka Meja, when I was remember say, where Emma, a 1 central Juma Imuni idea, Ayana ye Pimbi, na ye Brubi, any idea minimum foot to Sema, or the Bema, and our friends, no, I'm said, when you and Trika Krebia Beda, a year in animal joy FM, nay, a year a buying term, a manacoba say, a swap foreign person, Bebahoni, idea minimum, no becabum, the other Kafa, Wamayena, ye dear Jow Quine, Mammy.
You, me, adeɛ baako a mɛka ne sɛ bibia wo ya fa akoma pa ne adwempa ta akyi
yo
tanse nipa deɛ ɔfo na emom no ɛnsɛ sɛ sɛbi obi bɔ pɔbɔne etia obi ani da ho mu woyɛ saa ɛnyɛ professionalism na media deɛ mɛka ne ɛsɛ ne katrɛma ewo faakum omo kon enso so para na detena ho ni akoso a anyefe ɛsɛ dia wafom no so nuhu na yɛtena se enya sembia media meka ne se abu achia na emui enti mestre se journalist momenye for people ma sebi ye ma political color ana say obi yusu obi ediatia ne yonko enunti ne die sabio ya na sa sembi kura ne kamono o kachia nanso me wish ne say ye betumi asi nkonwa ama bebia tawantawa aba no yetumi si esi say ya no okay say 2012 elections no na many chairperson for the conflict resolution committee a president say ya me no ka say party ama me jibia foforo a party kuo no a your friend saying dispute resolution committee and also so many chairperson enti am say nanka me hwe a party nsemu then so what atwumagina ko ho say ebi akra nim die no ne eya me wo no metumi e di resolve aboa as beyond a party no na ma resolve sa problem between ye ne joy ne other bibin kitenkete no mo
da wasepa na eja wadi animu na wahwe na waye no ama on behalf of Emma ewo Ghana nyina ene Emma ewo Africa nyina Sika oye wo secretary Harriet Kaho Archibald Kaho first lady Enra be Gracie occasion no Emma nyina na mu no ye kasa nyame nhwe adwuma waye ne ye adwuma so no pa bi obi tie chobeke so no ba de ede no ko chief of staff de wachre ne bebia wufiri ne bebia wabedru sese no begiri se obi e wona adwuma se na ni na no ahohoro firi ma me nyame nhwe sa boss boy de bo Emma ewa bibrem ha no ye de ba ko etesa kakraka yi de abebo abaso nyame onka ho no ma woni so ade hunu yina emrepem no ye be san kasa
without city nyamisun shaman yinara the meji adie minji ma menkwa meji ma ema nyina se de be ya enyamenkwa na bi be ba be ka me ho da chi bia mo ase bebre nyamenshram
yeso yeda ase o me akosu afrema pare chief of staff Emma Ghana ono na ate se ne no ebon komo enra na abasobo kase a yede ma ebibrem ha ma no ase mfienu bia ye ma baako Ghana yate asempa enra ono ne yekukuru sa boss boyi kakraka defiri baby efiri na omo edeba the Model African Women of the Year 2019 award no at the 4th Young African Women Congress Exla group na organize University of Ghana Legon omo de sabas boy edema ye maame catch so my be anwene ma de nkwara ho no ma no enye we eye ni kasema Emma eye Ghana engina ahai Adom 106.3 amra so say de fa be wo so bre wo and na menche na mo won so wo be cha akra yemfa nkrato de mfam ye ba me de bebre wo